What's going on YouTube? So in today's video I'm going to be cleaning the inside of my truck. Yesterday I cleaned the outside, as y'all seen, but I want y'all to look at my edging and see how it looks. It's not my first time edging, but it's definitely getting better. But just let me know what y'all think. And I'm thinking about getting a dirt bike. So what kind of dirt bike would y'all like to see me have? A 250 Honda CRF or like a 450, but I'm trying to stay below $5 grand. So, and I might be getting pit bike or a pit bike and some other stuff like that. So I don't know, y'all just let me know down in the comments. All right, so now I need to get my stuff. I had this leather life because there's dirt in my seats a little bit and it's just on my nerves. And then I have these leather wipes, and then I got some chemical guy stuff over there. But I'm gonna show y'all what I have done to this truck so far. So it came with this JVC radio in it already. I'm sure y'all can see the bass knob on the floor. I have two, hold on, y'all know I did that, and then the 50 cal on top, and then I have I ride in the very back seat, so, but I have, there's my amp. I have two 10-inch Scar subwoofers behind my seat. They hit okay, but I think I'm gonna get an 18 or some 12s or something to put in it instead, because they just don't hit as hard as I would like them to. I don't know why. Oh, this is trash. We're just gonna throw this in my toolbox. There's already enough trash in it, but I don't really care. I don't know why there's a dead bee in my floorboard. I need to clean my floor mats now because fucking there's sticky stuff all over them. I will get that out. Don't kill me for. All right, now I got my dash cleaner and my microfiber. Just give it a couple squirts. I mean, you don't gotta use this because I got my wipes or whatever, but it never hurts just to clean. So I'm not gonna keep doing that. I need to get that Chick-fil-A sauce out of my thing. So it's just, and this helps my leather and everything else shiny, where it looks good, where it don't look like garbage or whatnot. This is the second time cleaning the inside of my truck, and I also got new door lights, because why not? That looks so much better than the factory ones. That dash is really hot. Might not be able to wipe off the dash today. Hot tamales. Let's just wipe off this. But yeah, I would play all the video of what my subs sound like, but I don't want to get copyrighted, because I don't want to deal with that. Steering wheel. And I believe I told y'all yesterday in the other video that I'm gonna get rims, but I have all these stickers in here. If y'all can see them, I have all these stickers in here for when I get my tent done, because I'm gonna have me a tent strip. and just because I don't want them to mess them up when I put them on. And I replaced the lights in here because they were yellow too. Oh, y'all can see me. I need to vacuum in it, but I broke the Milwaukee vacuum. Not intentionally, but I did break it. Look at this stuff all over my seat. And my slide fell off. Alright, let's grab this. My seats are really comfortable. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all would like to see. Y'all like to see me get a pit bike, a dirt bike. I'm not getting another four-wheeler at the moment because they're a bit pricey. My seats stay clean most of the time. They're not really dirty right now, so there's not really a point in me cleaning them. But my doors do get dirty. And I'm trying to come up with video ideas, but I don't know what else to film. Like, is there stuff that y'all would prefer to see? Or y'all just don't really care, y'all want to see whatever? It don't matter to me what I post. I just need to know, so I'm not wasting my time filming a video and it's not gonna get any views or anything like that, if that makes sense. But alright, so that's pretty much done. Let me get this. I'm gonna come over here. She is looking good from yesterday though. Nice and clean. Hopefully this gets this up, whatever this is. Oh, it's Dr. Pepper, I'm pretty sure. Microfiber, wipe everything out. Not on my seat. Alright, let's wipe this off. Stick that in there. And then I'll need to put some more WD-40 on that door. Bring my seat back. I need to get me a brush to keep in my truck. It's got freaking dust on it already. Take that in there. Alright, that's about all it takes, because I mean it's not real dirty. But when I start working, there will be, well, I don't know, I might not work, or I'm gonna work, but not, I don't know, if this YouTube stuff picks up, I might not work. I might just do strictly YouTube, but I need it to be able to pick up, because I'll probably still work until I'm about 18 and then fully kick it. But I mean, I've been posting every day for the past week, trying to get built up and stuff like that. But yeah, I don't know if these chrome pieces pop off or not. But if they do, I'm gonna pop them off. Then I'm gonna I think I'm gonna put toe mirrors on it, just because that chrome is really shiny today. All right, well, hope y'all enjoy this video. It's a short one, but it's a video.